When it comes to understanding the climate crisis, numbers can be more powerful than words. And let me tell you, my friends, those numbers are calling out to us. Malnutrition is rising. Between 2019 and 2021, an additional 150 million people were added to the ranks of the undernourished. That's almost like adding half the population of the entire United States to the list of people who don't eat enough. And believe me, it's not because they're following some trendy diet. Migration alert. By 2050, we could see 200 million climate migrants. Imagine the entire population of Brazil packing their bags because their homes are no longer sustainable. That is not a small number of people moving. More high temperatures. We are making efforts to tame global warming. But if we continue on our current course, we may turn the Earth into a big sauna, and not the kind of sauna that relaxes. I can already hear the loud complaints about the lack of air conditioning. Now, prepare for this startling fact. Over 99.9% of peer-reviewed scientific papers agree that humans are the main culprit behind this climate drama. This is not some bizarre fringe theory. It is a stunning consensus supported by 88,125 staggering climate-related studies. In 2013, 97% of the studies said the same thing, and recent research shows that this consensus has become even stronger. According to Mark Linus from Cornell University, we are almost certain that the consensus is well beyond 99% now, and that it is almost a closed case for any meaningful public debate about the reality of human-induced climate change. This is not just about pointing fingers. It is about recognizing our role so that we can find effective solutions. With climate disasters wreaking havoc, understanding the impact of greenhouse gas emissions is more critical than ever. But here's the irony. There are still many who believe there is a vigorous debate among scientists about the cause of climate change. Surveys show that only a minority of adults in the US believe there is strong scientific agreement on human-caused climate change. These misconceptions underscore the importance of knowing the true consensus, avoiding selective data, and understanding the larger scientific picture. In an in-depth study, researchers randomly selected 3,000 studies from a massive 88,000 climate articles published between 2012 and 2020. And guess what? Only 4 of those 3,000 studies challenged human-induced climate change. Digging deeper, they found just 28 skeptical papers among the entire batch, and these were usually in less influential journals. So if there was ever any doubt about the impact of human activities on climate, these findings should make that abundantly clear. As Linus says, this should be the last word. The consensus is undeniable and the message is crystal clear. Human actions are significantly shaping the Earth's climate. It is up to us to decide how to react.